Namaste, Adab, Sasrikar. Welcome to my show. Let's get chatty with Vedika. On today's show, we are highlighting a truly remarkable organization, a club and association that is a proud chapter of JCI Industrial. For the past 22 years, incredible group of ladies have been working tirelessly to make this club not only active and impactful, but also a beacon of positive change in our community. So, to begin with the president, how many members are there in the committee? And could you brief a little about them?
A wonderful question. I always feel proud and happy to introduce my team to everyone. Let's introduce my team to you, starting with my immediate past president, Neetu Shukla ji.
Hello. Hi.
Then my past president, Nupur Gupta.
Hello. Hello everyone.
My secretary and a very good friend of mine, Swati Dikshit.
Hello.
Then our treasurer and the backbone of the club is Rashmi Jain. Then we have our director, Rashi Gupta. Then we have our vice president, Pratibha Jain. Then we have again our vice president, Anubhuti Gupta.
Hello Vedika. Hello everyone.
Next, our joint secretary, Shivika Rastogi.
Hi Vedika.
Then director, Shivika Jain.
Namaste.
And last but not the least, our director, Khyati Jain.
Hi Vedika.
Now, immediate past president, can you please share a memorable experience or achievement during your tenure?
Definitely. It was a wonderful journey for me. और इतना कानपुर का सबसे नोन क्लब है ये. तो वी हैव 240 लेडीज. इन सब पे आप प्रेसिडेंट बनने का एक अलग ही कॉन्फिडेंस है. एंड लास्ट ईयर आई ऑल्सो गॉट स्टार लेडी प्रेसिडेंट अवार्ड ऑल्सो. सो दिस वॉज माई अचीवमेंट. एंड ऑब्वियसली लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस तो है ही, इतनी बड़ी लेडीज क्लब को रूल करना.
Exactly.
इट वॉज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. थैंक यू वेदिका.
Welcome. Passing on the past president, can you please tell us how do you balance your personal and professional life, and how do you manage so much of social work along with it?
Yeah, hi. It's a very touchy question of my heart, really. And yes, I manage both the things along because of my family. It's my support system, and without my family, I could not
Yes,
manage.
for sure.
Yeah. So one more thing is that I maintain the space between the work and my personal life. And I believe every woman should be independent. It gives you so many motivation, confidence, a lot of things. And GCI Kanpur Lavanya also promote the working women and in a many ways. So I think all should workaholic, and you can motivate.
Come
others
ahead
also.
and do
Yeah.
work.
So
Okay.
thank you.
Rolling towards the secretary, where do you see your club JCI Lavanya in the future as you will continue in 2026 and 2027? Please tell us the big plans.
Hi Vedika. There are so many plans, and this is too early to disclose this. Exactly. We cannot disclose. We will disclose and unfold it gradually, for sure. But yes, we have so many plans, and I envision of JCI Lavanya to becoming a leading ladies club. The ladies who really wants to make some difference as any aspects, like their life, social life, their business grow, and
In any aspect.
any
In
aspects.
any aspect.
Okay.
Working on it.
The treasurer can throw some light on how the funds are used for social events. Is it easy to collect, and how do you manage?
Not at all. It's not at all.
बट वी कैन डॉट ऐसी इतनी गुडविल है कि अगर हम लोग कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट उठाते हैं तो वो तो पीपल और मेंबर्स आर रेडी टू डोनेट एंड सोशल फॉर क्लब एक्टिविटीज स्पॉन्सरशिप आल्सो. जेसीएल लावण्या को मैनेज का ट्रेजरर होने के नाते में मैनेज करना बहुत इजी तो नहीं कह सकती, क्योंकि लोगों का एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज्यादा होती है, बट फिर भी हम मैनेज करते हैं.
She is backbone. She is actually, and she is treasurer from since last 3 years. She is working as a treasurer. Really?
Alright, Vice President, this year, how do you ensure the club stays relevant and appealing to its members?
So what we do basically, we organize different events, and in each event we give opportunity to the members to come forward and become the project directors,
Yes.
so that they can just express and tell that how they can inculcate their leadership qualities. Basically, here we are not just like we have to do fun. Yeah, obviously we need to do fun, but our main motive is to have and inculcate that leadership quality in each woman, because we believe that each woman is precious.
Yes, for sure.
And like my past presidents just told you, that we believe that we can manage everything. We are women, we are multitaskers.
Yes.
We are multitasking. Everybody sitting over here is working professionally as well, and they are very good homemakers, mothers, everything. So keeping this in mind that we are multitaskers, we pick up women, please come forward, we encourage them, yes, you can do it. And being so like all of us have been leading some of the other teams, so we just push them, we just teach them, you know, you can do it.
You can do it.
So they'll only, if we have organized some event, they are going to finalize all the decor, how the food needs to be presented.
We just have to brief them what we
Yes.
are thinking and what the project is all about, and they just organize that event.
So with the fun and entertainment portions, we also believe in creating a cause in the
Yes, for
society. That if we are in such large number present, then we really need to make a difference in the society. And how can we do that? Just by doing a little bit in the society, by taking some social cause. As like last year, we had installed a sanitary napkin machine in this Sarup Nagar. Yeah, there was this
Anadi,
there, and girls were very happy with that because they were not provided with that facility ever. And now at least they were like they're getting clean napkins, which is like a necessity.
Yes, exactly. It is a necessity.
That was one thing that we really did.
Okay. How do you think individuals can make a positive impact in their communities? What role JCI Lavanya can play in this?
So I would here like to tell you one precious project of ours. We have adopted a girl,
Yes.
and we are financing. We are like sponsoring her fees since
3 years.
Since 3 years. This is our
Third year.
So it's a very small thing, but a single movement of ours will make a difference in the society 10 years later. She will proudly say that yes, JCI Kanpur Lavanya was the organization
Yes.
who supported my education, and because of them I'm somebody to do whatsoever she wants to do. So like this, and then there's one ritual which we follow. We begin our year. Any president who comes up begins the year by distributing kitchen. That is the first social project every year since 22 years, I would
Yes.
say, which has happened. So
And the trend is going on.
and the trend is going on, and I believe that it's going to go forever. And this time we are like more focused on increasing our social events, so that yes, we believe in making that difference, and we definitely will. Together we will.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Now moving towards the Vice President. What are some of the most important skills or qualities you've developed through your involvement in JCI Lavanya?
Any club, especially Lavanya, because it's a women's club and we all women are sitting here together, can develop n number of skills and qualities. And some key skills and qualities are like leadership, communication, teamwork, cultural awareness, social awareness, and so many things. And being an entrepreneur, being a homemaker, I think these qualities and skills work as catalyst to make our business, to manage our home more easier. Thank you.
Turning towards the Joint Secretary, do you think it's important to add new members every year to the club? And what do you accept from new joinees?
Yeah, hi. See, for this question, I will put just one example. If you are served the same meal every day, will you eat it? No. Exactly. मतलब कोई बच्चा या कोई बड़ा भी नहीं खाना चाहेगा. So it's necessary to add flavors, new dish, variety, ताकि चीजें अच्छी दिखें and आगे बढ़े. Because if new members are won't included, new ideas नहीं आएंगे. मतलब चीजें बढ़ेंगी कैसे. Even in business you need new ideas, new perspective. मतलब
Yes,
हर
yes,
एक
for
चीज
sure.
को देखने के 4 तरीके होते हैं. And new members, when we include new members, we accept कि मतलब उनको ये चीज we inculcate even and we get it.
And at the end, the more the merrier.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. My question to the director, Shivika Jain. What is the motto of JCI Lavanya Kanpur?
अच्छा वेदिका, मैं सबसे पहले एक मिथ तोड़ना चाहती हूँ कि ये क्लब नहीं है. JCI लावण्या एक संस्था है
Very good.
और ये संस्था जो है जल जीवन और अपने वातावरण के लिए हमेशा से काम करती रही है. Whatever little contribution, जैसे मैं आपको एक छोटी सी बात आपको बताती हूँ, जो हमारा फर्स्ट इवेंट ऑफ द ईयर होता है वो होता है अन्नदान. हम कुछ भी एक छोटा डिफरेंस इस समाज में लाना चाहते हैं, समाज के लोगों को भी देना चाहते हैं और अपने मेंबर्स को भी देना चाहते हैं. बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं जिसमें वो आए, एंजॉय करें और कुछ भी अपना सहयोग जो भी समाज में वो देना चाहे, दे आर वेलकम.
Generally, I see my mother, my grandmother both going to the club. So how do you feel about it? Can you say about the age gap that matters?
Age is just a number.
Yes, for sure.
This
For
is what
sure.
I believe. Every woman is empowered, is beautiful, is always helping, be of any age.
I would like to say a thing, like Khyati said about age. When you see your mother's group, your group, and other groups, it's like group of ladies, even partying, managing home, doing the business.
Yes.
It's a mental treatment you say, like घर की टेंशन कम होती है.
Yes. If a woman is healthy, happy, so everything is
happy and
Yes.
good.
And then there is one more thing that we get to learn from the generation
Yes.
who's present.
I completely believe in today's generation, be it my mother-in-law or my daughter, I'm learning from both of them.
Yes, for sure.
And same thing is applying when we are going out and meeting new women, be it of any age. I'm always learning new things from them. The same thing is happening in our club. When we are going, there are many things which I have done for the first time, just because I am coming in this club.
For example, this podcast.
I'm so happy.
Yes.
I'm so happy. You're such a. Take yourself as an example. I could not imagine.
Exactly.
I could not imagine asking such questions. Even I think I'm more than 20 years
That is
older
too
than
much
you.
between us.
But I feel all the women are empowered. Be it Vedika, be it any one of us. I feel all women are beautiful
Inside out.
inside out.
Just that spark, like
Experience matters.
Experience
Everybody has it.
I don't feel
And behind every healthy and happy society, there is happy and healthy women.
I believe even today, be it from Vedika, I feel I'm learning new things from you.
Yes, for
Yes,
sure.
for sure.
Maybe I am not having I don't have this confidence.
Yes.
But today, when I'm seeing you, I'm happy. I'm feeling so happy. If you're asking me a question, I'm able to speak.
Yes.
confidence we have built since joining the club. If you see, like जब हमने पहले join किया, just see our personality and then after
Then
so many
just
years.
compare
So
us
so
to the
growth
past few years. Yes.
Thank you. My question to the director. Can you give a reason or motivational thought to the ladies who have not joined the club yet? What can be the big shout out for them as an inspiration?
I feel if I would say that every woman is a diamond. Come to us and just feel that spark in me. Like just shine bright like the diamond. I'll just say I found myself that there were so many hidden qualities within me which I was able to just get to know when I was given that position of project director for my first event that you have to do it. I was glad how to do it. But then I eventually got to know, yes, I'm that one man who can shine.
Yes.
So I will say that every woman who is not a part of
Part
our
of this, yeah.
organization, please come
please do join.
Please come and जो बोला ना हीरे को तराशते हैं हम लोग वही कर रहे हैं.
All together we are doing
together.
that. Yes.
We are just
And we are
together.
supporting also, na?
Yeah, exactly. I wouldn't be able to speak और अगर आज ये भी हो रहा है because we all are together. That's why. So we support. We don't bring you down. We like help you to go up and grow. So that
Just
is the-
being a woman, we are supporting each other and pulling upside down.
It's a very old saying that behind every successful man there is a woman. But now I can say
Yes.
behind every successful woman
There are several other women
And we truly believe
who
in
are
this.
pushing you.
And we
Yes.
help each woman to come forward. Please, we make business groups. Ki please, आप आओ अपना business को promote.
Yes.
Whatsoever.
We promote business also.
Yeah. So it's not like a single entity सिर्फ हमारे करना है.
We are doing
बहुत
it.
अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं. बी इट आर यू प्रोफेशनल, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, आप आइए, आपके लिए बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं. धीरे धीरे यू विल फील योरसेल्फ यू आर ग्रोइंग
Yes.
एवरी डे. इफ नॉट यू आर ग्रोइंग elsewise, you are growing inside, you are growing your confidence.
Coming to the closure, can you please throw the ball on the cricket league happening on 2nd Feb?
Yes, we are coming up with our very first event. Yes. It is basically a couple cricket match followed by DJ.
Rainbow fitness check.
Yes. This is actually a reality check. And of course, RJ Sugandha is coming and doing, hosting our event. And we are super excited and as well as thrilled to announce that there are some more other games other than cricket also. Please join us on 2nd of February. And yes, if somebody wants to add on something, because I have just described the event, if somebody wants to add something, they can add.
I can only say हमारी छोरियां छोरों से कम है क्या?
भारत में लोगों की नसों में भी क्रिकेट होता है और हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट उन्होंने नस पकड़ ली.
Actually, this organization is all about learning by doing. In this club, I realized that I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a homemaker, I have good friends. Now I'm realizing that there is hidden
Yes, she's doing a very good job in cricket. I'm telling you, she's batting so well.
Yeah,
just because of our president and IBPs and supportive team. We are coming out with our hidden qualities that we can be there
हमें क्वालिटी पता लगी. I am a good batter and bowler also.
See, hidden talents are coming out.
And it is fun too.
It's a
And we
fun
follow
In our cricket match, we are learning a lot also, na?
Yes, how to work in a team.
हाँ.
And in fact, in a team, you don't know each other. That is most
Exactly. We are
important.
playing
teamwork, problem solving,
Yes.
stress management, everything we are learning from this.
Yes.
So hats off to our president, IBP, secretaries, treasurer, and my
All the
beautiful
team
friends.
members.
Thank you.
See, every dream project comes with a very good team, and I'm very proud of it that I have a wonderful team with me.
Oh, thank you so much.
Powerful team makes a good batter.
Yes, yes.
Lastly, with all fame to you all, coming again to the president, what advice would you give someone aspiring to take a leadership routine?
See, I wanted to say that be kind. Sometimes frustration comes out. Sometimes being a lady, you are working lady and being a homemaker. Sometimes frustration comes out. Don't take out all these things. Just take these things aside. Just be kind and think what you are thinking. Like I have already 3 months back, I have decided that I have to do this cricket match. And then I have started planning and taking your team together. That is more important. Yes. Thank you.
That's right. What is the special tadka you are adding this year?
There are so many, but yes, I would like to mention one that this year we are going to Dubai. All ladies trip to Dubai. Yes, all ladies trip to Dubai. Thank you.
Okay, a heartfelt thank you to Club Lavanya and all the esteemed members of the committee for dedicating your precious time. It was an honor to host you on my show, Let's Get Chatty with Vedika. I truly admire the hard work and effort you ladies put in to make a 22-old journey of the club a remarkable success. It has shaped it as one of the best organizations in town. Wishing you all the best for today, the future, and for the Cricket League. I'm sure it will be yet another incredible event reflecting passion and commitment you bring to everything you do. Once again, a big thank you for sharing your journey and insights. It was an absolute pleasure speaking with you all.
Pleasure was ours.
Don't forget to
Like, share,